I really highly recommend to other Saudi or Gulf countries or international companies to visit AMCO Skills. Good evening. It was pleasure visiting today at AMCO Skills in Bangladesh, and we discovered many new trades which we are unable to get in other countries, and we were surprised to get those manpower here, and the facilities were really unexpected, because we thought Bangladesh is having very less resource, and the facilities maybe not as per the international standards. But here, after reaching here, we found that for mechanical, welding, fabrication, pipe fitters, civil workers, mason, carpenter, steel fixers, we had a very good testing sessions today, and it went really well. And I really highly recommend to other Saudi or Gulf countries or international companies to visit AMCO Skills for their skill testing and certification requirements. And I highly recommend this institute, where they also have trainings, skill upgradation. So I wish them good luck, and for us, we will be having more and more visits to this center for our upcoming skill requirements in Bangladesh. Thank you.